You can't control everything, but you can control your response to everything. Stop waiting for the right time. It never comes. Most of your problems come from saying yes to often. Comparison is the thief of joy. Your habits will determine your future. Worrying doesn't prevent tomorrow's troubles, it robs today's peace. People don't care as much as you think they do. You are not what happened to you are what you choose to become. Confidence comes from action, not waiting to feel ready. 80% of success is showing up. The world owes you nothing. Seek progress, not perfection. Stop taking criticism from people you wouldn't take advice from. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Discipline equals freedom. If you want different results, make different decisions. Your mind is a garden. What you plant will grow. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Self-respect comes from keeping the promises you make to yourself. Your greatest enemy is your comfort zone. Don't let fear of failure stop you from trying. Time is more valuable than money. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. If you're not embarrassed by your first effort, you waited too long to start. Success is a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Learn to listen, not just to respond. Be curious, not judgmental. Learn to adapt. Life will never go as planned. Happiness comes from within, not from external achievements. The only way to truly fail is to stop trying. Your health is your wealth. Never make permanent decisions based on temporary emotions. Assumptions are the mother of all mistakes. Stop chasing people. Kindness is never wasted. Learn to enjoy your own company. The best revenge is massive success. The moment you start valuing yourself, the world will too. Your life will be shaped by the risks you don't take. What you tolerate is what you will get. Stop blaming circumstances. Forgive, but don't forget the lesson. Nobody has it all figured out, and that's okay. Every problem is a chance to grow. The only person you should strive to be better than is who you were yesterday. If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. Do the thing you fear and the fear will disappear. You can't pour from an empty cup. Success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about embracing it and learning from it. Don't expect others to prioritize you when they're busy living their own lives. The relationships you nurture are your greatest investment. Nurture them wisely. Your mind is more powerful than you realize. Guard it, train it, and feed it positivity. Not everything that weighs you down is yours to carry on, to let go. Time doesn't heal everything. What you do with time does. Sometimes your greatest battles are invisible and happen in the quiet of your own mind. Growth requires discomfort. If you're always comfortable, you're not growing. Your reaction to adversity will determine whether it defines you or strengthens you. You will outgrow people, places, and habits, and that's a sign you're evolving.